Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make jalapeno cheese noodles. First, let's gather our simple ingredients for this creamy, spicy dish. You'll need 1 pound of pasta, 2 fresh jalapenos, and a blend of cheeses. We'll use 2 cups of shredded cheddar and 1/4 cup of cream cheese for that perfect texture. Don't forget 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, and your essential salt and pepper. Now, let's get those jalapenos ready. Carefully mince 2 fresh jalapenos. Remember to remove the seeds and membranes if you prefer a milder flavor. Next, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add your minced jalapenos to the butter and sauté them for about 2 minutes until they soften slightly. Then, whisk in 1 cup of milk and bring it to a gentle simmer. It's time to create our luscious cheese sauce. Gradually add 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese to your simmering milk mixture, stirring constantly until it's completely melted and wonderfully smooth. Next, incorporate 1/4 cup of cream cheese, stirring until it's fully combined and the sauce is velvety. Finally, season your rich cheese sauce with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to taste. Almost there. Cook 1 pound of your chosen pasta according to the package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Drain the cooked pasta thoroughly, but remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water. Now, add the drained pasta directly into your warm, creamy jalapeno cheese sauce. Stir everything together really well to ensure all the noodles are evenly coated, adding a splash of reserved pasta water if the sauce seems too thick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.